students, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. I am Sneha Pemberti. Today we are going to learn about the sentences, our second topic of grammar. Students, in the last period what we have learned? We have learned that about the letters, that there are 26 letters in English alphabets. These letters join to form a sentence, join to form a word. Now, a word means what? A word is a meaningful group of letters. A word is a meaningful group of letters. We can, any group of words we can think in our mind. Suppose for example is here cup, board, school, book, etc. Means these group of words have a meaning. So these are the meaningful. These group of words have meaningful. Now coming up to the sentence, students, tell me what is a sentence? A sentence means a group of words makes a complete sense is called sentences. What is sentence? A group of words make complete sense is called sentences. In the last period also we have seen some of the group of words. See again, like cartoons, in the garden. What we have learned? These group of words are not complete sense, means it is not a complete sentence we can say. So, here we have seen that the first group of words does not make any sense and the second group of words makes sense, but it is not complete. So, for these group of words, once again we are going to read. I like cartoons. Meena is walking in the garden. See the changes in the group of words, you can see in that one. These group of words make complete sense and are called sentences. Have you understood? That some changes we have done, that in the previous example we have seen like I cartoon in the garden. These two examples we have seen. So, if we change in that sentence group of words, we can see that one. First answer the correct sentence, we can say I like cartoons, and the second one answer is Meena is walking in the garden. Means what? These group of words make complete sense are called sentences. Now, the definition of the sentence is that a group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. What is the definition of sentence? That a group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. This much we have learned in the last period, and we have solved some of the exercise. First, in our grammar topic in the textbook, we have solved one of the exercise, that one, tick correct the sentence and cross those which are not. I hope you have noted down the answer. That once again I am going to show you. First one is Suhana is my best friend. This is the correct sentence, we have tick mark it. Second one, happy I am very today. This is the not correct sentence, it is not the complete sense. So, it is wrong, or we have to cross that one. The phone is ringing. It is the correct sentence. In the market. This is again we can say that one is not a correct sentence, which is not make a complete sense. So, we have put the cross mark. Fifth one is not Jyoti neighbor mine. Again this is not arranged in the proper sequence. So, we can say it is not the correct sentence. Sixth one, birds are singing. Correct it is. Seventh one, singing birds. It's not complete sense, so it's not the correct sentence, we can say that. Calling is mother Rohan. We have crossed that because it's not the correct, we not arranged in the correct sequence. What is your name? This I have told you that when someone is asking you a question, or you are going to ask to someone question, that what is your name, when you have to meet to first time to the someone, that time first what we are going to ask, we are going to ask that what is your name, or some neighbors or some relatives when visited your home, that time they are asking you that one, what is your name. So this is the correct sentence, we can say. The door is open. Till this much we have seen in the last period. Now today we are going to learn about the rules related to this sentence. What are the rules are there? Which rules we have to follow? What the punctuations we have to use? And what are the rules we have to follow to form a sentence? These rules today we are going to see, and related that rules we have to solve the questions. So my dear students, now open your grammar textbook, page number 7. Carry your pencil, eraser with you, and unless and until I am not giving to you instruction, you should not write anything in your textbook. First you have to listen properly, understand, then only you have to solve the answer. Okay? Shall we start? Now to make a sentence we have to follow some of the rules. What are these rules? See, first one, a sentence begins with a capital letter. Whenever we have to make a sentence, the first letter it should be capital. The first letter should be capital. Here on the screen you can see when the rules here it is given, here it has given the capital letter. So whenever you have to form the sentence, you can see this one, a sentence begins with a capital letter. Here you also see in the example that first letter it should be capital. Okay. Second rule, a sentence ends with a full stop. You can see on the screen that one, the starting with the capital letter, and after finishing the sentence we have given the full stop. So these rules you have to keep in your mind, that whenever we have to start a sentence, whenever we have to make or form a sentence, that time the first letter it should be the capital and end with a full stop. Okay. Here example is there, you can read this. The school is closed on Sundays. Here you have to see that one, the T has given the capital. So whenever you have to form a sentence, first letter it should be the capital, and after finishing the sentence we have to give a full stop. Now the third rule, it can end with a question mark when the sentence asks a question. See, the sentence is not the sequence that one that it is simple, or we have to ask the question, that it ends with the question mark when the sentence asks a question. For the example, when someone is asking you that where do you live, what is your name, what is your school name, these sentence we can say it end with a question mark. For example is here, what are you doing? See here the question, already I have told that we have to follow the first letter, it should be the capital, and if we are asking the question, after ending the sentence we have to give the question mark. Okay. The third rule is what? It can end with a question mark when the sentence asks a question. See, when the sentence is asking a question, it ends with a question mark. Three rules you have to follow to while you form or while you have to make a sentence. First is what? A sentence we have to start or the begin with the capital letters. Second one, after finishing the sentence, end with the full stop. Third one, whenever it can be end with the question mark, when you have to ask a question. The sentence is end with a question mark when this asking a question. Okay? These rules you have to follow. Now related this one, there are the some examples or we have to see in that one, some questions are there in your textbook. One by one we are going to try to solve that one. Okay? Big question is there, just finger on the line, don't write anything, just watch carefully. What is the question is that? You have to see, match the group of words given in the two columns. See here, two columns as given. We have to match with the column A to column column 1 to column 2. These two group of words has given. Suitable words we have to join or we have to match with that. First one in the column 1, what it is given? First one has given Rohan. Second one is given Reena and Veena. Third one is my grandfather. Fourth one, birds. Fifth one, my mother. In the column 2, what it is given? A1, walks with a stick, build nests in trees, cooks good food, studies in my school, are good dancer. These are the two groups. We have to join the correct, we have to guess the correct answer and match with them. Okay? See here, first one is in the column 1, Rohan. Now which word, group of word is suitable for that? A1 is given walks with a stick. Is it correct to Rohan? No. First one, no. Second one, build nest in trees. No. Cooks good food. No. Fourth one or D1 we can say, studies in my school. Yes. The first one answer we can say D1, Rohan. What is the correct? We have to match that one. Studies in my school. The answer is D1. First answer is D1, Rohan. Studies in my school. Don't write it, just listen carefully. Second one, Reena and Veena. These two names are there, girl's name. So, for what is the suitable answer for the second one? Reena and Veena walks with a stick. Is it the correct answer? No. Second one, Reena and Veena builds nest in the trees. Is it correct? No. Third one is Reena and Veena cooks good food. I think it is not correct. D1 already tells the answer of first one. So, last one is remain that Reena and Veena are good dancer. Is it correct? Yes. The second one answer is Reena and Veena are good dancer. Now coming up to the third one, my grandfather. Third one is my grandfather. What is the correct answer? You have to see, mostly grandfather, they are very old age. So while walking there, they have to use the stick. So I think you guess the correct answer. The answer is yes, first one, my grandfather walks with a stick. This is the correct one. Third one answer is what? My grandfather walks with a stick. Now fourth one, birds. Yes, correct answer it is. Birds build nest in trees. You have seen that one whenever on the trees birds while build the nest on the trees. So fourth one is birds build nest in trees. This is the fourth one answer. Now the fifth one is my mother. Yes, of course, one option is remain now, that C1, cooks good food. In the lockdown also your mother make delicious food and she served you. So the correct answer is my mother cooks good food. These are the answer. You can see answer. First one answer is D1, studies, Rohan studies in my school. Second answer is Reena and Veena are good answer, E1. Third one is my grandfather, A1, walks with a stick. Fourth one, birds build nests in trees, B1. And last one, my mother cooks good food. Fifth one answer is C1. In your textbook it is given like that. So you can match like this. You have to match like this. You can now take your pencil and match the correct answer. First answer is Rohan. The answer is D. Join that. Second one, Reena and Veena. The answer is E1. Join with that. Third one is my grandfather. Third one answer is A1. Join here. Fourth one is birds. The answer is B1. You can join from this to this side, B1. And last one is my mother. The answer is C1. I hope you have done with the answer. Now keep your pencil aside. Next question we are going to see that. Now the next question, C1, don't write anything, keep your pencil eraser aside, just listen carefully, okay. C1, what is the question? Just see, rearrange these words to make sentence, use capital letters at the beginning of the sentence and end with full stop or question marks. See, while this reading the question, we have to remind the rules. Just we have seen before that what are the rules are there, that we have to start a sentence, first letter it should be the capital letter and end with full stop, and it can be end with question mark, okay. So these rules we have to keep in our mind and we have to solve the answer. The question is like that only, rearrange these words to make sentences, use capital letters at the beginning of the sentences and end with the full stop or question marks, okay. First one is my best friend Rohit is. See, these are not arranged in the proper way, or these group of words is not arranged. So what we have to do? We have to rearrange these group of words and starting with the capital letter and end with the full stop or the question mark, okay. Second one is in this I study school. Dot 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 has given here, whatever dot dot has given there you have to note down the answer, but don't write it now. When I will inform you, that time you have to write it, okay. Third one, have dosa, will for lunch I. Fourth one, you do have book mine. Last one is what your name. These are the 5 questions you can see in your textbook. One by one we are going to solve. Now first one is, my best friend Rohit is. Now remember that one. Whenever we have to start the sentence, that first letter it should be the capital and end with full stop. So what is the first answer? I think you have guessed that. Yes, tell me. Yes, the correct answer is, Rohit is my best friend. Rohit is my best friend. Here you can see that one, first letter it is capital and after ending the sentence full stop we have to give. Now you can note down this answer in your textbook. First answer is, Rohit is my best friend. Shall we go for the second? Second one is, in this I study school. Now students, tell me what is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is, I study in this school. Again you have to see that one, while form or to make a sentence you have to just remind the rules in your mind. So you can easily make the sentence properly with the help of that rules. So for second one answer is, I study in this school. See, while writing the answer you just concentrate that one, that first letter is capital, okay, and end with full stop. Third one, have dosa will for lunch I. Now the correct answer, can you guess? Yes, the correct answer is, I will have dosa for lunch. Okay. Now fourth one is, you do have bookmark. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is, do you have my book? Question mark it will come, because we are asking a question. Now fifth one is what your name? I think your guess is correct. Yes, the answer is, what is your name? Note down the answer in your textbook. Just remind that one, the rules what as given for the form a sentence, that start with the capital letter, end with full stop, and whenever sometimes we can end with the question mark. Okay. Shall we go for the next question? Now keep your pencil aside. Listen carefully. D1. Complete the sentences with words of your own choice. Now here the words you can write with your own choice. You have to complete these group of words, these sentences, while using the words whatever your own choices. Okay. First one is, I am scared of. Mostly we are scared of for the which things? My answer is, I have given lizard. Yes, we all are scared of lizard. Okay. Second one is, my mother cooks. Yes, you can write down delicious food, good food, anything you can write the In your own choice you have to write the words. Okay. Second one is, my mother cooks delicious food. What is that? My mother cooks delicious food. Third one is, I play with. Here you can write the words with your own choice. I play with my sister, I play with my brother, I play with my friends, anything you can write it. I wrote, I play with my friends. My answer is, I have wrote, I play with my friends. Now fourth one, the star shines brightly. We can say the star shine brightly. Now fifth one, last one, birds build nests. Where the birds build nests? Yes, birds build nest on the tree. Where? On the tree. Okay. These are the answer I have wrote. You can, instead of this, in your own choice you also write in your own words. Okay. I hope you have understood all the formula to make while form or to make a sentence. Okay. Now students, I am going to show you one video. I hope you have noted down the answer in your textbook. Okay. Shall I show you one video which is very interesting to you?
You know just what to do, don't second guess yourself with what sentence to use. Don't put the pencil down, don't you take a break. It's alright if you make a few mistakes. What does a statement do? It tells something to you. I like to go to school, he dived into the pool. What does a question do? It asks something of you. Do you wanna be my friend? Are you with me till the end? Sentences, sentences, sentences. Ooh, sentences, sentences, sentences. You know just what to do, don't second guess yourself with what sentence to use. Don't put the pencil down, don't you take a break. It's alright if you make a few mistakes. When you write a command, they tell you what to do. Go tie your shoes, don't break the rules. Exclamations look like a giant upside down. Use them when you decide to shout or cry. Exclamations can be used to shout or cry. Boo-hoo! Ouch! That bee just stung me. Feed me, I'm so hungry. Sentences, sentences, sentences. sentences. Ooh.
Chapter 2. Sentences. Read these groups of words. Like cartoons. In the garden. Do these groups of words make sense? The first group of words does not make any sense. The second group of words makes sense, but not complete sense. Now read these groups of words. I like cartoons. Meena is walking in the garden. These groups of words make complete sense and are called sentences. A group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence.
So students, I hope you like this video. Now today's homework is that you have to learn the definition of sentence. Write 3 times that definition in your rough book and make any 5 sentences in your own choice. This is your homework. That once again I am going to repeat. Learn the definition of sentence and make any 5 sentences in your own choice. These all homework you can do in your rough book, not in the homework book. I hope you understand the lesson. Thank you.